Dear all students, today I'll show you how to install Windows XP operating system on PC. So this is the previous version of Windows operating system, old version of Windows operating system manufactured by Microsoft. So without not much wasting time, let's install Windows XP operating system and show you how to follow the instructions while installing Windows XP operating system on the PC. If you have a lower capacity of hardware installed in your PC, then you can install Windows XP operating system. If your system performance is very low and your RAM speed is low, that time you can install Windows XP operating system to have user access on the PC. You need to insert the bootable drive on the PC and start booting process. So here the first step, okay, it is automatic. All the setup will be done automatically. In this process, the window files will be copied in the hard disk drive. Here you have to enter the continue through pressing the enter button, and you need to accept the license agreement by pressing on F8. Then this is a hard disk drive which is 10 GB, 10237 MB means 10 GB hard disk drive. Here you can create the partition by clicking on the C. I am putting the same 10 GB amount for the Windows operating system. Here after partitioning you can see the C drive, and this is a reserved file, reserved partition, which you cannot edit, which you cannot access. Okay, so I am clicking on the C drive and hitting on the enter button. Here the next option is format using NTFS file system. This NTFS is a new technology file, and this is FAT. This is old technology file system. Don't select FAT system, select NTFS file system and quick format. So this will lead to the formatting of your C drive and copy the window file in the hard disk drive. This process will begin automatically, and this process happens continues automatically, so you don't need to interfere in between and press any key. Don't press any key and don't use any input here while installing Windows operating system XP. So here all the process are smoothly follows. Okay, again your PC is restarting. It says to press any key while booting, but don't press any key. This process happens automatically. You can see here graphical user interface. Here first thing is collecting informations, which is done. Dynamic update, which is also done. Preparing installations is done. Now installing Windows operating system XP on the PC. This all happens automatically, so you don't need to press any key while installing the Windows XP operating system on the PC. In theory, you have to learn a lot about the generations of Windows operating system, history of Windows operating system, and the year of development, year of launch. Now, I am quickly suggesting you for the installation. Here you need to select customize, and here grouping digit is in the million format. You have to put in the lakhs format. In the numbers, currency in the lakhs, and time, date format should be date, month, year. Apply and OK. And here you have to select India as a nation and apply OK. Then you have to click on the next. Then you have to insert the user name here. You have to click on the next, then you have to enter the product key. After you insert the product key, then you have to click on the next, then enter the computer name for the network purpose for file sharing and joining the home group and creating a domain. If you don't want a password, then you can leave a blank. Now you can select here date and time. It is correctly showing. You can check here with the main system time 7 September 2021 and time is also showing the same. Here you can select the time zone here. It is 5:30 here. Then clicking on the next. So right now the lot of installations for network, for audio, creating the desktop and all the required applications for Windows operating system to launch are all integrating itself, combining itself and launching. It will take a lot of time depending upon your RAM speed and your processor speed. It will do a lot of settings, services settings, Windows operating service settings, and it will also register all the settings, and the register means put all the required system settings in the C drive, which is located in the hard disk drive. So this takes a little more minutes. So this is a screen. Now it is again restarting and asking for the keys to put in the booting. Don't press any key here. The process is automatic. It will be automatically done. So here you need to click on the OK for the display settings. So here Windows has already adjusted the display system here. So you can see here Windows XP. This is Windows XP, which is all set. So here you need to write the username. This is a first installation settings for the Windows XP operating system. So Windows XP is all set to launch on the Windows PC. So this is a desktop of Windows operating system of XP. You can see here. So you can see here recycle bin. If you want to bring the system file, you have to go to properties, and in that you need to go to desktop, customize desktop. Then you can bring all the system file, system icons here on the desktop. So this is your documents, this is my computer, this is network, this is Internet Explorer, this is window button, and this is volume icon. This is security center. This is your time and date, and this is your recycle bin. To open the file explorer, you have to open my computer. Then you can go to drive here. This is your drive. This is a C drive. Okay. So you can open my computer, and this is a set for files and folders. This is user folder, and this is a C drive. These are the programs here. You can see all the programs which is installed during the installation of Windows XP operating system, that all will be kept here inside the folder. So this is it. This is how you can install Windows XP operating system on your PC. Let's install driver. After installing Windows operating system, you need to install the driver software to have access to have a optimum utilization of your hard disk drive. So it may require reboot after installing the driver software for your PC. Okay, so this is your whole window of Windows XP operating system. You can see here in the properties, in the file system property, you can see here system is Windows XP Professional, version is 2002, service pack is 2, and you can see here the computer configuration here, RAM and CPU information. So thank you dear all students, this is it. This is how you can install Windows XP operating system on the PC.